How to record shows on Samsung Smart TV. So first, ensure you are on live TV and watching a TV channel you would like to record. Press the 123 icon button on your TV remote and a picture on your TV remote will display on the screen. Then press the select button with your remote control and then select record. If you want to use time shift, you need to activate the time shift function while watching TV. So press this 123 button on your TV remote again and then select time shift from this pop up. And here you can play or pause TV and jump forward and backward. Now, if you want to do a recording schedule, press the home button on your remote control and then select live TV. Press up on your remote and select schedule manager. And on the recording and schedule manager page, cycle across the schedules tab and select either add viewing or add recording. Select the TV channel you wish to record, and with the repeat option, you can choose to schedule for every day, select day, or do not repeat. You may go to settings and set the number of minutes you want to start recording early or continue recording after. When the program is about to start, a message box will appear in the top right hand corner as a reminder.